Hey guys, gun enthusiasts, I'm going to show you why I think I got the best EDC. So first of all, I have the CZ75P01 from Czech Republic. The accuracy is superb. It's dead on accuracy. The magazine holds 14 rounds plus 1 in the chamber. That gives you 15 rounds. The holster is from Just Holster It. This is a good Kydex holster with 2 screws for retention. Then I have the Nebo flashlight. This is 90 lumens. You got to have a good flashlight. And by the way, this is a waterproof flashlight. You got to have a good blade. This is the mil-spec tactical knife. This is a all stainless steel design, partially serrated blade, spring assistant, 3.5-inch blade. Last but not least, this is the Leatherman Wave. I recently added this to my EDC. This one comes with 17 tools and great for EDC. This is a must-have if you ask me. And this is why I think I have the best EDC. Booyah!